Welcome to LJ's Kitchen. Today, I'll be making coconut cookies. These are the ingredients. 1 cup or 250 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, and 1 cup or 250 grams of breadcrumbs made from bread. You can't go and buy the store-bought breadcrumbs, otherwise they'll have a completely different taste. So step 1, you need to preheat your oven to 210 degrees for a conventional oven, or 190 degrees for fan forced. Step 2, you need to mix all the ingredients and set it aside for 20 minutes with cling wrap on the top of the bowl. So this is the right consistency. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cling wrap over the top. So I'm just going to set this aside now for 20 minutes. Once you've done that, then roll the mixture into balls and then flatten them on a greased tray or just a lined tray. Make sure that you space out your cookies as they will spread when they are getting baked. Once you've done that, you can bake for 10 minutes in the oven. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next week. Hi guys, this is me editing. I forgot to tell you in the video, just make sure when you take the coconut cookies off that you allow them to cool completely. Otherwise they may crumble and break. Thank you.